Here's how we've helped families to buy properties that replace their income. At Teach Me About Property, we are the income replacement specialists. We have perfected the income replacement strategies to create predictable, life-changing results for families just like yours. And if that sounds interesting to you, let's keep talking. Here's how we can help you to purchase property that can replace your income. One of the most common limiting beliefs that we encounter is people believe that once they buy property, it's going to negatively impact their lifestyle. People are fearful that they won't have money around to travel and go on holidays. They won't have money to get the kids what they want and what they need. And they'll be stuck with the car they have and they're not going to be able to buy the cars that they want. We developed our IRS income replacement strategies to solve this belief. And here's how these strategies can work for you. What we're looking for with our income replacement strategies is properties that cover the cost of ownership and have residual income left over that can fund your lifestyle. Now, if this sounds like something that you'd like Teach Me About Property to help you and your family to do, we can definitely help with that. But what I would like you to do is comment below. Ask any questions, challenge us on being able to help your family to be able to successfully implement and execute this strategy.